Hello, in this video we will talk about chat groups. Please do not confuse chat groups with public and personal groups. A group consists of a set of users that can contain individual users, other groups, or the users in a particular role or territory. Public groups can be created only by administrators, while personal groups can be created by the users themselves. But groups are used to set up default sharing accesses via sharing rule or to share a record manually with other users. But this can only be done in Salesforce Classic, so we will not cover this topic in this video. And we will focus on the possibilities of Lightning. And this being said, let's talk about chat groups. Normally, you should have the Groups tab in your home page, but if you don't, you always can go to the app launcher, search for groups, click on it, and then you should go to groups. By default, as always, you will see your recently viewed groups, but we have none. So let's check active groups, and this is what we have in our organization. And now let's proceed to create a new chat group. We click on new. We name it accordingly. Let's say we want to create a group for internal communication to share articles, important information, even some files. We can set up some description. We can write here some information. Will be the owner, and here we have the access type of the chat group. We will have three different options for the access type: public, private, and unlisted. Public means that anyone can see the post and anyone can join freely. Private, if you want to join this group, a private group, you will have to request to join, and then a manager member will have to accept or reject your request. Also, you will not be able to see any post or comment if you are not a member. And unlisted groups. Those groups offer total privacy. Those groups are not able to be searched in the search bar, and obviously you will not be able to see anything in them, and you will not be able even to request to join. If you want to join an unlisted group, the manager itself, the manager of the group, will have to invite you. So following the example that we are giving now, let's set the access type to private because it will be only for my team, right? Save and next. We can upload an image. And here we can add people. Okay, let's say those people belong to my team. Now here we can even change the cover photo. We can change the how often we want to notify the members, like on every post, daily digest, weekly digest, or limited. Limited means never. We can manage our members. Maybe we want to make one of the members a manager of the group. Edit membership. We convert it to manager. All right. So now this person will be also an admin of the group. We go back to the group. We can post something. We can create a poll, like So we can ask our members what do they prefer, right? Or we can make an announcement. We can set up the expiration date of the announcement. By default, it was today. Okay. And that is basically it about chat groups. Remember, the most important thing about chat groups is choosing the right access type. If we want to change it anyway, we can come back to edit group, access type, and we change it once again. And finally, we have these three options. Okay, disable automatic archiving. By default, Salesforce is archiving your chat groups after 90 days of inactivity. That means 90 days without chatter posts, comments, or any interaction within the group. So if you check this, even after 90 days, Salesforce will not archive your chatter group. If you leave it unchecked, after 90 days, it will be archived. Broadcast only. Well, the name itself says it, right? This is when you want your chatter group to be only for broadcasting. When you don't want your members to post or comment anything. This is when you want your members only to receive the information that you're posting in the group, to send out some announcement or some important information. And this is the last option to allow customers. What is a customers in the first place? A chatter customer. Chatter customers are people outside your company's email domains. Customers can see only the groups they are invited to, and they can interact only with members of those groups. A chatter customer can't see any Salesforce information. So if you check this box, you will allow external customers to interact with you in this chatter group. If not, so it will be only for users within your organization. And that is basically it. With this information, we finish the overview about chatter groups.